Hello students, welcome to B.Pharmacy. In today's lecture, we will discuss role of herbs in cosmetics and especially we will focus on aloe as an important herb used in skincare. So before we start with our today's video, please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting updates on upcoming videos. Let's begin. So starting with the introduction first. So students, aloe is one of the most widely used herbal ingredient used in cosmetic preparations. These herbal cosmetics have gained popularity because they are natural, safe, and have fewer side effects compared to synthetic chemicals. One of the most commonly used herb in cosmetic formulation includes aloe vera. Aloe has been used since ancient times for skin healing, moisturizing, and smoothing properties. It is widely used in creams, lotions, gels, shampoos, sunscreen, and face masks. Because of this benefit, aloe is considered as one of the most valuable herbal cosmetic ingredient. Now students, let us discuss about synonyms of aloe. Aloe is named by several names in different systems of medicine and region. Some of the common synonyms includes aloe, aloe vera, Barbados aloe, Curacao aloe, Indian aloe, and Kumari in Ayurvedic name. Amongst these, the most commonly used species is aloe vera. Now, moving to the next slide. So students, let us now understand the biological source of aloe. So, aloe consists of dried juice or gel obtained from leaves of aloe plant, right? Aloe is obtained from leaf of aloe plant. The plant used for cosmetic purpose mainly belong to the species aloe vera or aloe barbadensis belonging to the family Liliaceae. Okay, the part used in cosmetic is the inner gel present in the leaf pulp. This gel is rich in mucilage and bioactive compounds which provide moisturizing and healing effect. Moving to next slide. So next slide discusses the chemical constituents of aloe. The cosmetic benefits of aloe are due to important chemical constituents present in them, right? Aloe consists of several bioactive compounds such as majorly first one anthraquinones, that is aloe, imodine and aloin. Then it consists of vitamins including vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. It consists of enzymes such as amylase and lipase. Then it also includes minerals such as calcium, magnesium and zinc. Apart from that, it includes polysaccharides which helps in skin hydration and essential amino acids. These compounds together give aloe its moisturizing, healing, antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Moving to next slide. So students, now discussing role of aloe in skincare, right? Very important from cosmetic point of view. So students, aloe play an important role in cosmetic due to following functions. First one, moisturizing agent. The polysaccharides present in aloe forms a thin protective film on skin surface. This film helps to retain moisture and prevent dryness. Because of this property, aloe is widely used in moisturizing cream, in hydrating gels, and body lotions. Other advantages of these aloe moisturizers are that skin remains hydrated without leaving a greasy feeling, right? Which make it suitable for all type of skin, including oily skins. Moving to second one. So second one is skin soothing effect, right? So these gel are used to reduce skin irritation, redness, and inflammation. It is particularly useful in conditions like sunburn, minor burns, and skin allergies. Due to its cooling and soothing nature, aloe is commonly used in after sun lotion and soothing gels. Moving to the next point. So next is skin healing. Aloe vera gel accelerates skin healing and skin regeneration. Therefore, it is widely used as skin healing. Moving to next slide. So next slide is about another property of aloe vera, that is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial action. Aloe contains salicylic acid and plant sterols that reduce inflammation. It is effective in soothing, as already we have seen before, and therefore it is used in sunburn, acne, and minor skin injuries. It also exhibits antibacterial and antifungal activity which prevents skin from infection, right? Now moving to next one, next property of aloe vera, that is anti-aging and skin protection. So, aloe plays an important role in anti-aging skincare. The antioxidants present in aloe, such as vitamin C and vitamin E, helps to neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for skin aging and damage. Aloe also stimulates the collagen production, which improves skin elasticity, skin firmness, and reduction of wrinkles. Because of this benefit, aloe is widely used in anti-aging creams, right? Moving to next slide. So next slide is about cosmetic application of aloe. So due to its multiple benefit, aloe is widely used in different cosmetic products. Some of the common products which includes aloe vera are first one moisturizing cream, face gels, sunscreens, then anti-aging creams, face mask, shampoos and conditioners, after sun lotions and many more. All these products use aloe vera because it is natural, safe and effective. Aloe has become a key ingredient in many herbal cosmetics. Moving to advantages of aloe in cosmetics. So students, aloe offers several advantages when used in cosmetic formulation. This includes first one natural moisturizing ability, right? Then the second one is skin soothing and cooling effect, anti-inflammatory properties, then promotion of a skin healing, and suitable for almost all skin types, right? So due to these advantages, aloe is widely used in both traditional as well as in modern cosmetics. So to conclude, we can say that aloe is a versatile herb or herbal cosmetic ingredient widely used in skincare. Its hydrating, healing, anti-aging, and antimicrobial properties make it highly valuable in cosmetic formulations. Therefore, aloe is exclusively and extensively used in creams, gels, lotions, and other cosmetic preparations to maintain healthy and hydrated skin. That's all in our today's video. Thank you for watching this video till end.